Ever get in your car and wrinkle your nose? Soccer cleats, gym bags, fast food, odors just linger. No matter how much you clean, that stink sticks around. You roll down the windows, but it never really goes away. Long commutes make it worse. The smell just builds up. You want your car to feel fresh, not funky. But who has time for constant cleaning? And air fresheners? Most fade fast or overpower. You need something that actually works, effortlessly. Introducing Febreze Unstopables car vent clip. This tiny clip packs a serious punch against odors. It fights trapped smells with powerful odor blockers. Just click to activate, clip it on, and you're set. No mess, no fuss, just instant freshness. Adjust the scent level to fit your mood. From subtle to bold, you control the freshness. Enjoy the crisp, airy scent of just washed laundry. Make every drive feel like laundry day. Even after 40 days, the freshness keeps going. Let's see the difference. Before, you dread opening your car door. The smell hits you before you even sit down. You try sprays, but they fade in hours. After, clip on Febreze Unstopables and breathe easy. Every ride feels lighter, cleaner, more inviting. No more embarrassment when giving friends a lift. No more holding your breath after soccer practice. Your family actually enjoys carpooling again. Even the longest commute feels fresh and relaxing. It's simple to use. Push until you hear the click to activate. Clip it onto your car vent. Adjust the scent level with a quick slide. Let your car's airflow do the rest. No batteries, no spills, no sticky residue, just pure long-lasting freshness. Febreze Unstopables works in any car. Sedans, minivans, even ice cream trucks. Perfect for busy families and daily commuters. Great for pet owners and rideshare drivers too. Forget about covering up odors. Eliminate them. Enjoy up to 40 days of continuous freshness. No more swapping out weak air fresheners. No more masking odors with heavy perfumes. Just clean, fresh air every time you drive. Breathe happy wherever you're headed. Want even more freshness at home? Try Febreze Unstopables Touch Fabric Spray. Give your clothes and furniture a burst of scent. But for your car, stick with the vent clip. It's the easiest upgrade for your daily drive. Ready to kick car odors to the curb? Choose Febreze Unstopables car vent clip today. Clip it, adjust it, and enjoy the ride. Your nose and your passengers will thank you. Febreze Unstopables, freshness that goes the distance.